You think you need to be a Wall Street genius to become a millionaire, right? We all picture the complex charts, the high-stakes trades, and some secret knowledge that only the pros have. Well, I'm living proof that you don't. I built a 7-figure net worth, not with any of that stuff, but with 3 simple rules that literally anyone can follow. Today, I'm sharing the exact rules that changed my life, and I'll show you how they can change yours too. A few years ago, I was probably right where you are. I had a decent job, but my savings account just wasn't growing. I felt like I was running on a treadmill, working hard, but getting absolutely nowhere. The whole idea of investing was intimidating, and becoming a millionaire felt like a total fantasy. But then I decided to just tune out all the noise and focus on a few key principles. And those principles didn't just grow my money, they built a foundation for real, lasting wealth. So, how'd I do it? It all came down to 3 unbreakable rules I still live by. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, play the long game and do nothing. My first rule is easily the most important, but it's also the one most people struggle with. Play the long game. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's compounded over decades. The single biggest mistake I see investors make is thinking they need to constantly be doing something. Buying, selling, trying to time the market. The truth? The best move is usually no move at all. This is what people call buy and hold investing. You buy solid investments and just hold on to them for years. You let them ride out the waves of the market. And trust me, the market will go up and it will absolutely crash. I can guarantee you that. I'll never forget my first big market downturn. Every headline was practically screaming at me to sell, and my gut reaction was to pull everything out to stop the bleeding. But I didn't. I trusted the process. And guess what? My portfolio didn't just recover, it rocketed to all-time highs. Successful investing means staying in the game, through the good times and the bad. Patience is your real superpower here. Rule number 2, don't pick stocks, buy the market. All right, my second rule probably saved me more headaches and money than any other. Stop trying to find the next hot stock. Instead, just buy the entire market. For every one story you hear about someone who got rich on a single stock, there are thousands of people who lost everything trying to do the same. That's a gambler's game. And we're not gamblers, we're investors. The solution is beautifully simple. Low-cost index funds or ETFs. These funds don't try to be heroes and beat the market. They become the market. With one click, you can own a tiny piece of hundreds or even thousands of the world's top companies. This gives you instant diversification, which is your best friend when it comes to managing risk. So if one company or even an entire industry takes a nosedive, your whole portfolio doesn't go down with it. Believe me, I've been there. Early on, I wasted so much time and money because I thought I was clever enough to outsmart everyone. I'd spend hours digging into a company, totally convinced I'd found the one, only to watch it go nowhere. The moment I switched my strategy to just buying broad market index funds, everything clicked. My returns got steadier and my stress gone. It is hands down the most effective, low-effort strategy for building serious wealth. Rule 3. Make your wealth building automatic. And this third and final rule is the glue that holds it all together. It's the secret to making sure you actually stick with it. Automate your wealth building. Look, the most successful investors know that willpower is overrated. It comes and goes. Systems, on the other hand, just work. The fancy term for this is dollar cost averaging, but all it means is you invest a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, like every payday, no matter what the market is doing. This takes all the emotion out of the equation. When the market is down and stocks are on sale, your fixed investment automatically buys more shares. When the market is soaring and prices are high, it just buys fewer. This discipline smooths out the bumps and actually lowers your average cost over time. Every 2 weeks, like clockwork, a set amount of money moves from my bank account straight into my investments. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to make a decision. It just happens. It's the most powerful, and let's be honest, the most boring secret to getting rich. My fortune wasn't built on one brilliant move. It was built on hundreds of small, boring, automatic investments. So, that's it. Those are the 3 rules. Let's do a quick recap. First, play the long game. Trust the process and don't freak out during the downturns. Second, buy the whole market with low-cost, diversified index funds. And third, put it on autopilot. Automate everything so you're always consistent. Notice something? None of these rules involve predicting the future, reading complicated charts, or taking huge risks. Building wealth isn't about being a genius. It's about discipline, patience, and having a simple plan that actually works. Okay, so now that you know the rules, you're probably asking, great, but what do I actually buy? To help you take that next step, I've broken down some of the best beginner-friendly ETFs in this video right here. Click on it, and I'll see you over there.